Hello everyone, I'm Aditya here and welcome to Softech. In this session, we're going to discuss about the SAP Success Factors overview. And just in case if you are interested to learn Success Factors completely on a professional way, then you can contact us with the email ID which is mentioned in the description. Okay, so let's move on now. So let's first look at the Success Factors platform. Success Factors platform is a building block of our application suite. So there are different capabilities. Mainly we have three capabilities that we are focusing on. Those are the administration part, technology part, and the user experience. And these essential platform capabilities are not module specific, but can support the operation of one or more modules. So basically these are the various basic divisions of the entire Success Factors platform: administration, technology, and user experience. So we're going to focus our entire training on based on by classifying all the topics based on administration, technology, and user experience. So in the Success Factors platform, as I told you, we have three main divisions. One is the administration part, the technology part, and the user experience part. In the administration part, we're going to discuss about the administration center, identity management, proxy management, role-based permissions. On the technology end, this is the main course wherein we're going to discuss about the metadata framework, data protection and privacy, monitoring, upgrade management, integration services, people analytics. These are the topics that we're going to discuss. Now for the user experience, which happens to be the front end where the users use the platform, we have action search, home page, mobile, people search, people profile, photos, quick card, and theming. Let's discuss a bit about the basic navigation. So we're going to have instance and versus the provisioning navigation. So an instance is actually a front end or customer facing view, wherein even people who are not aware of the success factors can use it. For example, we all not are aware of what exactly is the platform which is used for building the Facebook or Instagram, but we just use them, and we happen to be the end users who are actually facing the final product. So similarly, the success factors platform can be used by people who are in various organizations, various departments of an organization. So SAP Success Factors customers work together with the professional service consultants to configure their own instance of Success Factors. So now consultants or administrators or end users see the same interface, but just like any other system, access to tools varies depending on what has been configured. For example, if you are being assigned to the role of a consultant, then you can probably do the development. And administrators can actually do the administration part. And if you are assigned an end user's role, you can just view the reports and view the data. Provisioning is the key configuration tool that SAP Success Factors uses to control many aspects of the customer instance. So in essence, provisioning is the back end of the system. Customers never use provisioning, nor do they have access to it. So this is where we are actually going to design everything, configure everything in the backend in the Success Factors tool. If you have to log in into SAP Success Factors, you just have to first give the custom company ID here at the beginning, at the first screen. Then you have to give the username and password. Once you log in into the success factors, you will be seeing a screen which is similar to what we have here, wherein this front end has been built on the Fiori platform. Most of us already know that Fiori is a front end tool, which is used for most of the SAP front ends. So and Fiori is the common set of design principles and UI standards at SAP. So this Fiori is based on UX. So Fiori is based on UI5 principles, and I'm going to discuss about Fiori and UI5 in some other session. But let's move on to what exactly we're going to have in this success factors platform. So we'll be basically having a main menu here. When we log in into the screen and see here, we'll have the main menu, and we have got this home here. When we click on the home, you'll get a drop down, and in the drop down, you'll be getting something like My Employee File. And when you click on My Employee File, you get this name menu here, and we get the settings here. And when we go into the settings, we can actually do language change, or you can change the password, start page. We can do all these things, and we can select the language which we want here. We have got the proxy here. Within SAP SuccessFactors, the proxy actually functions on a platform where proxy is used heavily by administrators during the test phase for a new proxy. And proxy can also be used to troubleshoot user issues. For example, if an employee contacts an administrator because he or she is unable to see a form, the administrator can proxy as that user to see exactly what the employee is seeing. Additionally, administrators can use proxy to complete actions on an employee's behalf as well. And we can create a proxy and account holder. So we have got this proxy and account holder here. So the proxy is the employee acting on someone's behalf. The account holder is the employee on whose behalf the proxy is acting. For example, let's take an example of Alex. Now, Alex will be on vacation, and Oliver is assigned to act on behalf of Alex. And Alex is the account holder, and Oliver is the proxy. One or more proxies can be assigned to a single account, and one employee can be assigned as a proxy for several accounts. As an administrator, you are likely to proxy for many account holders. The proxy can open, view, edit, and send many items to which he or she has permission, as if he or she were that account holder. So basically, the organizations can choose to prevent end users to assign proxies. In that case, only administrators with permission will be able to see the proxy. Now, option is the name name. Administrators can restrict proxy assignments to a specified time. So I've got this in product support. This is the help and tutorials page. You can see that. And these are the themes. You can select your theme, how you want to display your front end, whatever you see on the screen. So we've got this selection here, got this development here, and we can go for this development and select whatever. So these are like a few of the themes that we have, which we can select there. And we're going to have this technology. We've got one very interesting option of people search, action search, and directory. So what exactly happens here is that we can go there and search for any particular person. You can give the employee name and you can search for that person throughout in the entire platform. So here we have this. This is called basically global header people search. It's easy to access from every page and supports for fuzzy matching and all, and supports searching for employees' names that contains characters with accents, diaresis, umlauts, and all, and supports searching for employees by central names as well. So it has got the ability to control the employee central and non-employee central user info displayed in the search results with the role-based permissions. So we've got this fuzzy search and people search. What exactly is fuzzy search? Let's take an example of it. So normally what used to happen in any of the SAP platforms is like, if you have to search for a particular person, you have to give the exact name. Now in our example, we have the name of the person as Alex Anderson. So in just in case if you're typing ALLEX, in conventional search, it is not going to show you Alex, because the actual name of the employee is ALEX, but we are typing and searching for ALLEX. In fuzzy search, it searches for almost nearly comparative, nearly similar names and shows it to others. Like for example, like Alan is also near to it and Alex is also near to it. So we will do. So it's going to show us the names which are related to it, and we can pick one, whatever we want. So we've got one more interesting feature called action search. So basically in action search, you can actually search by some feature, other search element. Like here in our example, we are searching for managers, and a manager, like manage a team. So we just have got this couple of people who can manage a team, and then we can just select from that. So we have this directory search wherein we actually can search by location or search by first name, middle name, last name, first name, anything, any of this. Directory search results. You can just see these results here and select anyone. We've got this decision checklist as well, wherein we can actually refer to the decisions we have made and we can select whatever we want. For example, will end users be able to assign proxies, or is it only the administrators? So we can just select that as a checkbox. If you select checkbox, then it appropriately works accordingly. We will enable that in product support tab for your administrators. Will you use the same theme for all the users in our organizations? If not, what will be the criteria to determine the theme that users? And do you plan to use the fuzzy search option in people search? User data file. So we're going to discuss from the user data file in the coming session. We've got a very basic kind of idea here about what exactly we have in the success factors. I just wanted to show you how the success factors platform looks like, and that was the main purpose here. And I'm going to make more interesting videos on this. Please write to me in the comment section of what you would like to see in the next video. Thank you. Have a great day.